Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gauri Styles. I'm Gauri and today I would be reviewing a product. Yes, today is not a makeup tutorial day, today is a product review day and the product is most trending in Indian market because it's none other than from K Beauty and I'm super excited to review for you all K Beauty Hydra Cloud Cushion Foundation which is enriched with hyaluronic acid and squalene which has SPF 40 and PA++. You guys are excited, aren't you? If you are, then without wasting any further ado, let's get started. Cushion foundation is a new foundation in the market, not new, but it's trending from past 2 years and the world is going gaga over the cushion foundation because it feels lightweight on your skin and it feels skin-like without any heaviness or stickiness. So K-Beauty has also launched one of their new foundation, which is K-Beauty Hydra Cloud Cushion Foundation. You can see the packaging. It is the typical K-Beauty packaging. You can see the cardboard box as well. Here's the white and beige detailing like the typical K-Beauty products. All K-Beauty has this kind of packaging only. And you all must be knowing by now that K-Beauty is Katrina Kaif's brand. And if you don't know, then you must be sitting under a rock. And if such a leading actress is running such a huge brand, then you must be assured of the quality. K-Beauty is known for the good quality products and their made in India brand, which is a proud moment for all of us. So talking about this foundation, I've already showed you the packaging. This is how the outer packaging looks like. But wait, you haven't seen enough because जो inner packaging है ना, जो inner main product है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा luxurious है. This is how the product looks like. It looks beautiful, it looks luxurious and जैसे मैंने हाथ में लिया है ना तो उसकी look and feel बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत compact है. It looks like a compact powder का मोटा version. Like compact powder बहुत sleek होता है, ये उससे थोड़ा सा बल्कि है बट इट लुक्स लग्जूरियस. एंड यहाँ पे आप पूरे वो के ब्यूटी का सिंबल देख सकते हो, के एम्बॉस्ड ऑल ओवर द रोज गोल्ड पैकेजिंग. एंड वंस यू ओपन इट यू get to see a mirror applicator, which is a very good applicator. You can see it dirty because I have used it and tested it an entire day so that I can give you my honest review on this product. Here comes a flap which separates the mirror as well as the actual product. Once you open the flap, here's the actual product and here's the seal in which it is written K-Beauty packed with glow. Once opened, it might overflow. Oh my god, what a line. And once you open the seal, you get to see the actual product, which is the cushion foundation. The packaging is nice, compact, looks luxurious. Full marks for the packaging. It retails for $15.99 for 14 gram of product, which is a bit expensive. But considering the quality of the product which you are getting, plus the packaging, full marks for the product as well as the packaging. Oh, I have given you the spoiler. But wait, I'll be sharing the entire review of this product. Plus, you can also get extra discount on Nykaa app. हमने प्राइसिंग की बात कर ली, अब इसकी फॉर्मुलेशन की बात करते हैं. It's formulated in Korea but made in Indonesia. So if it's formulated in Korea, then you must be quality assured of this product. It comes in 12 different shades, which is absolutely yay because you all know that Indian brands do not cater to skin tone. But K-Beauty is an Indian brand and it has 12 different shades for the cushion foundation, which is absolutely amazing. My shade is 105Y Light, 5 stands for yellow. And you can see at the back of the packaging, it's written push. So I am assuming, but I'm not sure that it's a refillable foundation. Once your product gets over, you can just push it from here and take out the empty refill and refuel it with a new refill. So अब हो गई बातें बहुत सारी. Now let's come to the actual application part of this product. Now that we are done talking, let's switch to the most interesting part, which is the application part. Let me tell you, I have already applied and tested this foundation yesterday and I just love the formulation. I just love the product. So today I'll be applying it in front of you all and I would be sharing my honest review about this product with you all. By the way, it comes with its own applicator, which I've already shown, and it's a good quality applicator. I love this applicator, and it's very easy to apply the product with this applicator on your face. And this is not your regular compact वाला applicator. जो compact वाला spongy सा applicator होता है ना, ये वो नहीं है. I think it has some elements of silicone. I'm not too sure, क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल भी product absorb नहीं करता है. It doesn't absorb much of your product, which is a very good point. And मैंने पहले ही दिखा दिया था कि I've already opened it. Now let's remove the seal fully. अच्छा, here you get a mirror and the mirror quality is also very good. आप लोग अपना mirror देखते देखते आसानी से foundation लगा सकते हो, on the go में लगा सकते हो, like बहुत जल्दी में होते हो, ऑफिस जाते हो, कॉलेज जाते हो, but presentable दिखना है. This is the one product for you. And now let's switch to the application part. तो बस थोड़ा सा लेना है. I'm just dipping it once. आप देख सकते हो, यूज में ही आपको fresh stains दिख रहे होंगे प्रोडक्ट के. थोड़ा ही लेना है, ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. बिल्कुल प्रेशर के साथ आपको अप्लाई करके एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट नहीं लेना है. थोड़ा थोड़ा लेके आप मल्टीपल टाइम्स बिल्ड कर सकते हो. एंड नाउ आई विल बी अप्लाइंग इट. डैब डैब करके ही लगाना है. Oh my god, wow. And the shade is also perfect match for me. As the name suggests, it's very smooth and it's a beautiful product to apply on your face. It doesn't feel patchy, and it gives a dewy finish as well. You can see this side with the product. And मैंने बस एक ही बार डिप किया था, ज़्यादा लिया भी नहीं था. And I've almost covered my half of the face. In case अगर आप ज़्यादा product ले लेते हो, then you can dust off the excess on this flap. And the shape of the applicator is also very good. It's pointed so that it can go to your nose corners or your inner eyes, whatever you feel like. Typical एक गोल सा sponge applicator नहीं है. And the product is super amazing. One question which I almost get asked, that does it oxidizes? No, it doesn't. I've applied this foundation the entire day yesterday, and yesterday was Raksha Bandhan, and it was very hot and humid in North India, and I was stuck in traffic with no petrol, so my AC was also switched off, and my base didn't move, which is a huge thing because my T-zone is oily. It's as oily as Dubai ki tel ki khadan, but still my base didn't move, which says a lot about this foundation. It's a really good foundation, and I just can't recommend you enough. If you are looking for a good cushion foundation under a budget from an Indian brand, then consider this. It's like इट हैज़ अ वेरी इंटरनेशनल फील. मतलब ऐसा लगता है बहुत अच्छा इंटरनेशनल लेवल का प्रोडक्ट लगा रखा है. इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट ऑन योर स्किन, एंड आपको पूरा स्कोप मिलता है इसे ब्लेंड करने का भी, एंड एट द सेम टाइम कुछ भी ना ओवर द टॉप नहीं लगता, बिल्कुल हैवी नहीं लगता. एंड इसकी कवरेज देख सकते हो कितनी ज़्यादा अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी है. इट कैन कवर योर एक्ने स्पॉट्स और द रेडनेस. इट हैज़ द मीडियम कवरेज, बट यू कैन बिल्ड इट अप. But I don't think so कि you can build it up to full coverage. It has medium to kind of full coverage, but not the full coverage. Guys, you can see the finish of this product. This side with foundation, this side without the foundation, and you can see the difference for yourself. This side looks much more even, brighter, plus light as well. This side doesn't feel heavy at all, and this is my raw and real side. You can see the difference. मतलब मैंने half face लगा लिया है, एंड प्रोडक्ट भी ना बहुत इजीली ग्लाइड डाउन होता है, बिल्कुल भी टगिंग एंड पुलिंग नहीं होती. ऐसा नहीं लगता कि बहुत ज़्यादा हार्श हो गया या सेट हो गया और मूव ही नहीं होगा. नो, इट डजंट हैपन विद दिस फाउंडेशन, एंड I can like proudly say this is my new favorite foundation. If you are looking for a good quality cushion foundation, then this is the one for you. It's really very good foundation, and I think K Beauty has nailed it again because K Beauty के सारे ही product hit ही रहे हैं. मेरे पास जितने भी K Beauty के products हैं मुझे सारे ही बहुत पसंद हैं, and I think this one tops the list. This one is my new favorite product from K Beauty. And अब मैं इस साइड में फाउंडेशन लगा के दिखाऊंगी, एंड यू कैन सी हियर आई हैव सम रेडनेस ऑन माय चीक. आई थिंक देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ एलर्जी और समथिंग, एंड आप देखना कि इसे कितने अच्छे से कवर कर देगा, एंड एट द सेम टाइम हेवी एंड केकी भी नहीं लगेगा. I'll just dip it. थोड़ा सा ही आया है, you can see. थोड़ा सा और लूँगी, and I apply it from center to outside of my face. Oh my God! Wow! Hello redness, where have you gone? If you are of my skin tone, then you can consider 105Y light for yourself as well, because it's my perfect match. You can see, ये बिल्कुल perfect match है. I've not applied it on my under eyes because here I'll be using a darker shade of concealer. Otherwise, it would turn gray. Okay, look at the coverage, how nice and beautiful my face is looking. This is with one coat of foundation. Now let me apply the second coat of foundation. I'll just press it. अच्छा, मैं ज़्यादा सा लेके भी दिखाती हूँ. मैंने ज़्यादा सा ले लिया. Now what will happen? थोड़ा सा मैं इधर, थोड़ा सा मैं इधर, एंड थोड़ा सा मैं इधर. अगर आप एक्सेस इसमें नहीं हटाना चाहते हो, आपको लगता है कि प्रोडक्ट वेस्ट हो जाएगा, तो आप थोड़ा ना ऑल ओवर योर फेस डैप कर देना, एंड नो, इट वोंट ड्राई डाउन. तो आपके पास एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम होगा कि आप उसे ब्लेंड कर दो, एंड आप देख ही सकते हो मैंने हर जगह लगा दिया है, एंड ये बिल्कुल भी ड्राई नहीं होगा. And it's very easy also to apply. It just feels like you are applying a compact powder, like your regular compact powder, because you apply the compact powder as well with your sponge applicator. Oh, did I forgot to mention, by the way, it's enriched with hyaluronic acid and squalene. Hyaluronic acid retains skin moisture in your skin, and squalene repairs your skin barrier. Plus, it also repairs your skin. So these are the two great ingredients in this product. Here you can see my face, how glowy and luminous it's looking. I think it's because of the hyaluronic acid. It's looking so glowy. And आजकल ना सब glowy and dewy ही makeup के fan हैं. And if you're also looking for a glowy and dewy lightweight foundation for yourself, then this is the perfect match for you. Because आप देख सकते हो 2 लेयर लगाई है, बहुत अच्छी coverage आ गई है, मेरा full face cover हो गया. I can almost say it's full coverage. बिल्कुल भी heavy नहीं है, cakey नहीं है. And it has SPF 40 and PA++, which means it would protect your skin from sun damage. But I won't recommend you to skip your sunscreen. Do apply your sunscreen and you can top it up with this foundation. But in case if you are in a hurry, then you can just use a good quality moisturizer and top it up with this foundation, because it would be protecting your skin, and SPF 40 is a good number to protect your skin. By the way, this foundation hasn't creased on my face. I'm talking non-stop and I haven't set my face with any kind of powder. But still, I cannot see any smile lines. कुछ भी creasing नहीं हुई है मेरे mouth के पास से, which is a ये. Now let's see the transfer test. अब देखते हैं कि transfer होता है या नहीं होता है. I have not set my face, तो इसमें एक टिश्यू लगा के देखती हूँ. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा जनरसली प्रेस करूँगी. मैं बिल्कुल भी यहाँ गिमिक की काम नहीं करूँगी कि मैंने हल्का ब्रशर लगाया दिखा दिया. Okay, I can see the transfer. Yes, it definitely transfers. यार इसमें hyaluronic acid and squalene है तो या ये ग्लो ही फील देगा तो ये ट्रांसफर होगा. So you have to set your face after applying this foundation. Now let me fix it. Let me come again with my full face of makeup and share my final thoughts about this product. I'm back and this is my full face of makeup. You can see how beautiful, radiant and glowy my face is looking. My face is looking so fresh and natural. Natural as in ki, of course, I have done my full face of makeup, but it's not looking made up, it's not looking thick, it's not looking cakey. It's looking very beautiful and almost my skin like. Like this is my new favorite foundation. What's not to love in this foundation? It feels super light on your skin. It feels, as the name suggests, it feels cloud-like. It feels like you're walking on cloud. It's super lightweight on your skin and it feels super glowy, dewy and fresh. That is because of hyaluronic acid and squalene, and it has SPF 40 and PA++ as well, which will protect your skin. I've already shown the transfer test. I've already shown that it won't crease on your face, and this one is like, it has ticked all the right check boxes. So now let's share the final pros and cons about this product. And to begin with, we are starting with pros. It is super lightweight on your skin. It feels cloud-like as the name suggests. Number 2, it's enriched with SPF 40 and PA++, which would protect your skin, but I won't recommend you to skip your sunscreen. Number 3, it feels dewy and glowy on your skin, which is absolutely amazing because in today's environment, everybody wants to look super glowy, fresh and beautiful. So it ticks that box. So it's a very good foundation. Point number 4, as far as I know, I think it's the first Indian brand to come up with the cushion foundation, and it is just amazing. And we have to clap and appreciate K Beauty for that because they are so vigilant that they adapted to Indian skin tone as well, because they came up with 12 different skin shades, which is absolutely amazing. And the formula is also very good. Point number 5, it doesn't crease on your skin. I have chatted a lot in this video and I haven't powered or set my face, but still it didn't crease around my smile lines, which is absolutely amazing. Point number 6, it won't oxidize on your face. Yes, it won't oxidize. जैसे आप सुबह लगाओगे वैसे ही ये शाम तक ही रहेगा. It won't oxidize in color. Point number 7 is it's super long wearing. And point number 8, it has the goodness of skincare as well because it's enriched with squalene and hyaluronic acid. Now let's talk about the cons. Point number 1 is it's priced at rupees 50.99, which is expensive. Yes, it's expensive for a foundation, but I would say it's worth every penny you spend on this product because it's a beautiful product. It feels luxurious, it feels skin-like, it feels makeup that cares. So I think it's justified for every penny you spend on this product. And con number 2 is it transfers. Yes, it transfers. I have shown you in the transfer test as well. So you have to powder set it. Now I have powder set it. Now let me show you the water test. कि अब मैंने पूरा फाउंडेशन लगा रखा है, पाउडर लगा रखा है. अब मैं वाटर डाल के देखूंगी कि ये फाउंडेशन या मेरा बेस मूव होता है या नहीं होता है. माइंड यू कि मैंने सिर्फ फाउंडेशन लगाया, अंडर आइज में कंसीलर लगाया एंड बस मैंने से पाउडर सेट किया है एंड माई रेगुलर मेकअप मैंने और कोई बेस प्रोडक्ट नहीं लगाया है. सो नाउ लेट मी शो यू दी वाटर टेस्ट एज वेल. ये एक हाइड्रेटिंग एंड ल्यूमिनस फाउंडेशन है, तो यस इट ट्रांसफर्स, बट अब हम इसका वाटर टेस्ट देखेंगे. ओके, I have filled water in this bottle. पूरा डालती हूँ अच्छे से, मैं पूरा भिगा लूँगी. देख सकते हो बहुत अच्छे से मैंने भिगा लिया है. Now let's see the water test. I'm shook because it didn't transfer. Yay! I told you it's an absolutely amazing foundation. बहुत अच्छा foundation है, skin like है, इतना luminous है, तो you have to set it with water. With powder, but एक बारी देखो मैंने powder set कर लिया, मैंने इतना ज़्यादा ये spray भी spray कर दिया and still my base didn't move, which is absolutely amazing. क्योंकि अभी तक तो कोई एरा गैरा नेथु गैरा फाउंडेशन होता ना तो वो of course move हो जाता, but ये नहीं हुआ है. It says a lot about this foundation. Plus मैं बताती हूँ कि मैंने ये रक्षाबंधन यानी yesterday ये product लगा के पूरा सुबह से लेके शाम तक इसे टेस्ट किया and my base stayed intact. Yes, my base stayed intact. I was so skeptical because it's a new product and I tried it for the first time yesterday, but it has shook me in a right way. क्योंकि यार मैं बताती हूँ कल बहुत ट्रैफिक था. NCR में जो भी लोग रहते हैं, I hope they can relate with me. कल बहुत ट्रैफिक था एंड जो मुझे अपने घर पहुंचने में 45 मिनट लगते हैं ना, it took 3.5, yes, it took legit 3.5 hours yesterday to reach to my destination. And plus I was running low on fuel as well, तो मैंने AC भी switch off कर रखा था. But in spite of sweating excessively, my base didn't move and I was like लिटरली शॉक. तो मैंने सोचा आज मैं ये वीडियो जरूर बनाऊंगी एंड इट्स वेरी लेट इन द नाइट, मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं था, बट मैं इस प्रोडक्ट को गेट की बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहती थी. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर विद यू ऑल, तो इसलिए मैंने पूरी वीडियो दिखाई, आपको हर टाइप का टेस्ट करके दिखाया. एंड guys, this is a beautiful product. It's worth every penny. If you are looking for a good quality foundation which is lightweight, which is luminous, which gives you a fresh and young look, then this is the one for you. डोंट वेट एनी फर्दर एंड चेक दिस आउट. मैं इसका लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी ताकि आप डायरेक्टली ले लो. एंड इट्स मम कंपैटिबल एज वेल. जो हमारी मदर होती है ना वो बहुत लेजी होती है अपना मेकअप करने के लिए, बट वो भी प्रेजेंटेबल लगना चाहती है. अगर वो कहीं भी अपनी किटीज में जाती है, मंदिर में जाती है, मॉल में जाती है, कहीं भी शॉपिंग में जाती है ना, तो आई एम श्योर वो बहुत प्रेजेंटेबल लगना चाहती है, बट वो ज्यादा कुछ करना भी नहीं चाहती है. तो ये बिल्कुल एक कॉम्पैक्ट जैसी फील देता है. बस एप्लीकेटर लो, डिप करो एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. बहुत आसानी से, लाइक कोई ब्लेंडिंग नहीं, कोई ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर गीला नहीं करना, कोई ब्रश नहीं लेना, सब कुछ इसके साथ ही आता है, विच इज वेरी गुड. तो ये मम कंपैटिबल भी है, आप लोगों के लिए कंपैटिबल भी है. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? गो एंड चेक दिस आउट. एंड ये इतना ऑसम प्रोडक्ट है ना कि मैं इसे बिल्कुल भी गेट कीप नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. इट्स वेरी लेट इन द नाइट, बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर विद यू ऑल बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट अमेजिंग. एंड अगर आपको मेरा ये ऑनेस्ट अनस्पॉन्सर्ड रिव्यू पसंद आया है, देन डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल Gauri Styles, and also hit that bell notification next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care and God bless you all. And comment करके बताओ कि नेक्स्ट रिव्यू आप कौन से प्रोडक्ट का देखना चाहते हो. आई वुड लव टू मेक अ रिव्यू फॉर यू ऑल. बाय बाय.